Hello everyone, I am Tejasvi. Welcome to my podcast channel. Here we have two expertise who are going to tell us about the seed propagation techniques. So, can I have your introduction please?
My name is Dipshika Singh and I am pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture in Lovely Professional University.
And I am Payal Chatterjee. I am an undergraduate who is pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture in Lovely Professional University.
Okay. Before going to start our conversation, as the seed propagation technique is commonly used, so why do you prefer the seed propagation technique over the asexual propagation?
See, the main advantage of seed propagation technique is that it is very common and easily easily used to produce plants, and it is very affordable for farmers. So they prefer seed propagation technique. Also, seeds can be stored for a long period of time, so farmers can use it for future. And seeds are used to produce virus-free plants. So the plants which are suffering from viral diseases, they can be propagated through seeds. And also, seeds are a major source of producing rootstock. So basically, it is used for wider production.
Okay. So, is there any things to take care of while following this seed propagation technique?
Actually, there are a lot of things that we should take care of while following this technique. The most important is seed treatment. As we all know that seeds are nowadays very much prone to diseases, so we should go for seed treatment. And often people get confused between disinfection and disinfestation. So disinfection is done when the pathogen has already entered the seed, and that time we do disinfection. While disinfestation is done when the pathogen or any microbe that is there in the surface of the seed. So apart from that, we also have to take care that we are maintaining the proper environmental condition or not, the seeds are disease free or not, and also they should be grown and they should be taken care very nicely. Be it like irrigation or fertilizer application, we should take these things very much importantly from the start.
Okay. Can you please tell us some examples of these fruit and plantation crops where this seed propagation method is used?
Yeah, so seed propagation method is mainly used for such plants which are very challenging to produce through a sexual means, like for example budding or grafting. So we use this seed propagation technique in crops like papaya or falsa. So these plants are like if you see the stem of this plant, it is very soft in nature. So if you try to do budding or grafting, it will be very difficult for it to adapt. So we use seed propagation technique in this. And also, if we see commonly in our household, like in home garden or kitchen garden, we prefer seeds. Why? Because suppose if you want to grow citrus, then you will have to buy rootstock, or you will have to go to nursery, then buy the rootstocks, and then you have to plant it in your home. But if you see seeds, you can directly get it from your kitchen, and you can use seed to produce plants.
Okay. And do you think there is any disadvantages while following this seed propagation technique?
Yes, there are certain range of disadvantages that is associated with this technique. The first disadvantage being, as we all know, that nowadays farmers, they are preferring that they should get the exact plant from which they are taking the seed. But when we go for this seed propagation technique, we don't get the true to date plants. We get some variations. So this is one of the major disadvantage of seed propagation. Apart from that, the time limit. Like when we go for any vegetative propagation, then the time taken is comparatively less than when we go for the seed propagation. For example, walnut. When we go for seed, it takes 2-3 years more. Sometimes it takes 5 years, 6 years more. So it is also a thing of this time consumption. Apart from that, some plants they produce non-viable seeds. So that is also a very challenging. Then we have to go for vegetative propagation for those range of plants. So these are the disadvantages that are there in this.
Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable